Look who's back! Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you the detailing information.
And the automotive goodness.
You caught it. All right. Hey guys, real quick, please, if you don't mind, we'd appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe. That helps so you can see the new stuff, right?
It does.
Share with your friends. Ring the notification bell if you like the videos and want to see all the new stuff. And last but not least, check out the merch.
Check out the merch. The link is in the description.
All right.
Thank you.
What's back?
Yeah, we've got another Adams product. Adams polishes.
We do a fair amount of Adams stuff, don't we?
We do, but
They have
you know
a
what?
wide range of stuff,
We
and it's
love
good stuff.
all brands, really.
We do.
You know what we love? Good products.
That's right. If it's a good product,
Yeah. You
I was
know,
going to say if it's a good product, we love it. I rearranged your sentence.
that's okay. But yeah, the Adams polishes graphene ceramic spray coating.
Yep.
This is the spray coating, and of
We're
course,
going to apply it today.
yeah,
To a vehicle, not a hood.
yes. So that's what makes this video special.
Yes. We're changing it up. We have a vehicle that's never had any protection on it. We'll go over there in a minute.
It is naked. Wait,
Don't look.
don't look. It is.
We'll censor it.
It has no protection other than its automotive clear coat.
That's correct. So, hey, the Adams Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. We've talked about it before, but we're going to hit on it again in case you haven't seen the videos, right?
Yeah.
This has that UV in it, the UV tracing technology, so you can use the light and see if you screw up.
Yep.
Missed the spot, fix it. Okay. The other thing, big thing about the graphene, extreme hydrophobicity, slickness, gloss, and depth of color to paints and plastics. Hey, what'd you say? We last video, a little bit ago, we put the actual graphene coating on, right?
We did.
Did you agree with the gloss and the depth of color? Even it's a white vehicle.
We did the full coating.
Mm-hmm.
And this morning I looked at that vehicle and wow, the gloss and depth that it brought to that is incredible. I recommend it.
That one really surprised me. The plastic trim just looked great.
It really,
done.
yeah.
And so I'm curious to see if this does the same thing. We'll put this on some plastic trim too to see if we get the same effect. Because it does say, leading into this, feel free to apply to everything. Painted surfaces, glass, headlights, tonneau covers, soft tops, chrome trims, wheels. It's the same sentence, even bed liners. I'm pretty sure that's exactly the same
You're
thing.
right. You're right.
So there you go. That's pretty straightforward. As far as application, we're going to put a couple sprays onto a microfiber applicator, and you let it rainbow.
Yep.
And then we wait for the rainbow to dissipate, right?
Now, the best way to apply, just like with the full coating, is you do a crosshatch pattern, correct?
Good point.
That way you have less chances of missing an area. Like if you're just wiping and oh my gosh, you might miss an area.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
if you establish an area on the vehicle, which you'll see, you do the vertical and then the horizontal.
Yep.
And that way
you've
got good complete coverage.
Yep. And you want to look for that rainbow, that oil slick rainbow, we like to call it.
Yep.
Right?
And you let it rainbow, and as the rainbow dissipates, it's ready to buff off, correct?
Yeah, and you just level it out with your
towel. Level it off. You're not really buffing it off. You're buffing it.
Yeah, we use that term, buffing off.
Yeah.
So that's it, really. I mean, one tip, you know what I'm going to say? And I used to, other ceramic sprays I've used, I've always used the towel. I really like using the applicator better. We've kind of gotten accustomed to that. And then two, when you're spraying the applicator, and we'll see this over there, just a tip, it's easy to get mixed up, spray away from the vehicle and then bring it back on.
Yeah, so you don't get that
overspraying onto your vehicle.
That random misting of overspray. You don't want that, but that's a great tip.
Kind of a simple tip, but good point. All right, hey, we should put a sprayer in this.
And
we're not going to smell it.
No, we already know that the graphene products that we've experienced,
not the greatest, right?
Yeah, they're not something you want to smell.
I don't think they're meant to be sniffed.
So another tip is just use it in a well-ventilated area.
Good point, yes. All right, I say we go over. What do you say?
So yeah, it's all ready to go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I already smelt it.
It's already there.
Let's get over there and
shake up that graphene in there, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's been a little bit.
Yeah, and that's another thing we've noticed, that in some of the products, the graphene appears to settle, so you want to mix it good.
Is that the oxide, the graphene oxide?
Graphene oxide, yeah.
All right, we're going over, Ryan, and we'll
All right,
introduce.
come on over there with us.
All right, we're over at the vehicle. We're ready to do this, right?
Yep. So
there's the spray again. You've seen it a few times here.
So what did you've prepped the car already? I was not a part of that.
Good point. Yeah, yesterday everything got done. I did a strip wash.
Okay.
And what I do? I even did an iron decontamination. Didn't need it. We have
isn't that funny?
We have yet to seen the need for that where we live.
Yeah. Now again, it may be different where you are.
Right. I was thinking the rail dust thing's a new vehicle.
So just recently shipped. So.
Yeah. So just recently shipped. Actually, I picked it up right off from the rail car from the dealership. They brought it over and I picked it up that same day, so it didn't get washed by the dealer.
That's a good thing. Another tip.
Get there and get your car right away.
If you get a new vehicle and if you can be the first one to touch it, that's the way to go. I mean, as far as washing.
So, and then after that, I did a clay bar.
Okay. Yep.
And I did a good rinse. Did a polish with just a finishing polish.
A finishing polish.
That's all we use. DA finishing polish, and then last but not least,
Feels
it's
amazing.
Actually been twice wiped down with prep wipe.
Prep wipe.
Prep wipe, surface prep. So here we are. We're ready to put some ceramic spray coating on this, and this will be a great comparison to our actual coating that we have on your vehicle, right?
Yeah, and now we'll kind of be able to see the results of a full coating over time and the results of a spray coating over time.
Yeah.
And we'll be checking in and showing you along the way.
We'll watch the beading. That's what we want to see. That gloss, depth, and beading, right?
So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get those updates on these different types of coatings.
Notify yourself.
Yeah, ring the bell, ring the bell.
All right, Ryan, what do you say we get to it?
All right, so we're gonna get to it and you can watch. We'll speed this up so you don't have to actually
you don't want to watch 30 minutes of us putting this on. And then we'll come back and we'll kind of wrap up real quick.
All right, so editor, speed it up.
Let's do it.
Here's the rainbow effect that you get. Oh, that's beautiful. Check that out. It's like a wrap. And it'll dissipate, and that's the time to buff away.
Hey, we're finished.
Yep.
That was easy.
It was extremely forgiving.
Yes. I'm like, we were not even trying to put it on the glass. I was going to do that later. And you get a little bit on there when you're doing the trimmer on the glass, wipes right off.
It does. It's, with that rainbow effect that it has as it flashes, in my mind, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, it's going to be smeary once you go to buff it away. Nope.
No.
Buffs off clean.
And that rainbow, seeing that rainbow, we're newer to the coatings, so the rainbow stuff's a little newer to us, right?
Yep.
Because our other ceramic spray coatings do not rainbow. This
right.
is the only one. This and the other Adams ceramic coating, right? That we know of. But anyways, I love seeing that.
It is kind of
cool.
cool.
That it's cool to see, for one. Hey, it's colorful, right? And two, I know that I'm actually hitting those areas.
Yeah.
And leveling
the cool
it correctly.
thing, yeah, exactly. And the cool thing is, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No,
I apologize, but I'm so excited. We did the entire charger here, including. Brandon's waiting on the glass, so we didn't do the glass, but we did the entire car, including the wheels.
Yeah, you talked me into wheelbarrows.
Yeah, because those are some big wheelbarrows on this thing here, and having those coated will save you time cleaning them.
Next time I'm cleaning up, thanks, Ryan. That was a good call.
Because I'm like, let's coat them. They're super clean right now. You spent all that time cleaning them.
May as well. Yeah, that's a good point.
Coat them while they're clean.
So, all in all, hey, great product. I think the funny thing that we came across with this versus the traditional graphene ceramic coating, I don't think it was any harder to apply the traditional coating than the spray coating. It seemed pretty similar.
I think that's the biggest takeaway is...
So, we did not use very much of this. I mean...
Now again...
This is going to last you longer
This is
than
what,
that.
a 12-month rated product with one coat.
Yes.
And you can do multiple layers, right?
Yeah, and I don't know if it really extends it that much, they say. They don't really say.
But obviously there's a price difference too between the full coating, which is rated up to 7 years if taken care of,
right,
versus 12 months. But the process of putting it down and buffing it away once it flashes, the same.
Yeah, felt very similar, even on the plastics and everything.
Yeah.
So I don't know, guys. I don't know which. I guess it just depends on if you want to reset every year and a half or so, year and a half, whatever you're thinking. Depends on your situation and your budget.
So if you want to save a little bit of money and get some good protection, I don't know. It was easy. It's very forgiving.
Yes.
I like it.
I'd probably say maybe it's more forgiving than the, I don't know. We didn't have any problems though with the traditional coating, so I don't know.
Didn't see any bad spots.
And you said it still looks great. It's a week later from when we did that one.
Yep.
And it still looks great, so.
Look how little of the product we used right to here. I don't know if you can see that in there, between there, but so we used very little product and got the whole car covered.
And the wheels and the barrels.
Yes.
All the plastics. The only thing was not the windows, like we said. I think we can attribute that to using the applicators, right?
Yeah.
And not using the spray and wipe method.
You're not like spraying it all over and you're really wasting
To be fair, I think they tell you to use the applicators.
Do they?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Do
But
you guys want to wait for me to see? No. I'll let Ryan talk.
So yeah, again, using the applicator method.
Oh, either or. I'm sorry. It says
either
you can
or.
Spray it into a towel, a microfiber towel, or a microfiber applicator. So either
So
or.
you're spraying it in. You're not just misting it onto
Still,
the
the
panel.
applicator's the way to go, guys.
And then wiping. You're wasting a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, applicator, great tip.
Good coverage.
Yep. So I mean, I really like the product.
I do too, guys. I don't think you can go wrong. Pick you up a bottle. Adams always has sales. Makes it all of their products more forgiving on the wallet. You know.
Yeah. Just keep an eye out for those sales, and it's well worth it.
Definitely.
The only negative, I gotta say it.
Okay. Oh, I know.
The smell. But
we have high expectations from Adams products with smells.
I know
right?
most of their products smell amazing.
There must be a reason we can't get a smell on this.
and again, that is not a reason to not use it. Though. So and
it
we were in the garage.
It by no means is that terrible. That it's overwhelming, but it doesn't smell good.
Right. It's fine. It's
you'll see. You'll see when you buy it.
But
all right, guys.
So
there you go. Pick some up. We're on the graphene wave here, as you can tell.
Yeah, it's just all these new products.
Graphene. We got to do all the stuff we can with them.
Brandon and I are super excited about all these, so that's why we're using them.
And I love the fact we've got 2 vehicles that are coated with graphene now, so we'll see how they hold up.
So
all right, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Share it with friends. Check out the merch.
And we'll see you in the next video.
That's right, guys. We're done.
Thank you.
Later.